ready to inject some electric energy into your videos. Today, we're diving into Capcut to create an eye-catching neon saber outline that will make your subjects pop. First things first, open Capcut and import your video clip onto the timeline. Then, select your video clip by tapping on it now. Look for the Effects option at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. Within the Effects menu, we're going to navigate to the Video Effects section. Scroll through the categories until you find Glow. Tap on Glow. And then select the Neon Light effect. Tap the checkmark to apply it. Now that the effect is applied, select your video clip. Again, you'll see an Adjust option appear at the bottom. Tap on Adjust to fine-tune the neon glow. In the adjustment panel, you'll have several options for our neon saber outline. We're primarily interested in the outline and color sliders. Adjust the outline slider to control the thickness of your neon glow. Experiment with the color slider to pick the perfect vibrant hue for your outline. You can also play with intensity and adjust to further customize the look. Once you're happy with the neon outline effect and how it shines on your video, you can export your masterpiece to share that futuristic glow with the world. And there you have it, a striking neon saber outline effect ready to illuminate your next video project. Happy editing. Neon effect Capcut style.